What I can't get over is just how brown girl friendly these are. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Imani here. So today I'm going to be doing my makeup with some new products that I was sent in PR. I'm super excited to be receiving PR. Like, what? Yes, your girl is receiving makeup PR. So we're going to try some new to me. Okay, everything is going to be linked in the description box. So you know, if it's your first time watching, welcome. And if it's not your first time, you already know what it is. Okay, we're gonna jump into this video. Don't forget to subscribe, put your bell on for notifications so you never miss an upload. Join the Live Beat family. Let's get into the video. Hi guys, so we're gonna just get this party started. So first thing, I'm gonna start with this Smith's Rosebud Salve. So I have the one from C.O. Bigelow, which is a favorite of mine. I posted it on my Instagram and somebody told me this one was much better, so I wanted to try it for myself. I got it from Sephora. It was $7. I don't use the C.O. Bigelow one on my lips because it broke my lips out, but I love to use it for my elbows and my feet. Y'all, if you mix the C.O. Bigelow salve with your lotion, is so good. And they have one called Sakura Rose, and then they have just a regular rose one. Does wonders for your feet. Your feet are gonna be super soft and like moisturized. So I was like, okay, let me try out this one from Smith's. It doesn't smell as good. I'm all about the fragrance bit. I'll try it out. I've been using it on my lips just to see if it will break my lips out or not. Okay, so I've already prepped my skin. I'm gonna put everything that I use to prep my skin in the description box below. I'm gonna go in and do my brows. So I recently got my makeup done, and y'all, oh my gosh, her name is already perfect, and she just had my face looking flawless, y'all. And one thing that I realized is that she made my brows much darker than I usually do them. So I feel like I just need to start doing my brows a little darker, because it really does like frame your face, and it shows up so much better in photos. So I'm gonna try to do my brows a little darker today. Even though I'm using the same brow pencil from Mented that I have been using, I'm just gonna really fill it in. Okay, brows are done. I'm gonna zoom in. I received some PR from Decay. Y'all know I love the Stay Naked foundation. This is what we're gonna be using today. I got the newest eyeshadow palette called Stoned Vibes, and this is so gorgeous, guys. Look at this packaging. It's very heavy. It's like weighted. I'm gonna swatch all of the shadows and then I will decide what kind of look I want to do. They also sent over their eyeshadow primer potion. Yo, the OG is in the building. I don't know how long I haven't used eyeshadow primer. It's been a while, but we're gonna use it today. Let me see if I'm actually missing something. Okay, I feel like because I use Juvia's Play shadows and I also use like Anastasia Beverly Hills, those shadows usually show up really well on dark skin that I don't even need a primer. They sent it, so I'm gonna use it, and perhaps this might make the shadows work better. This is what the palette is looking like on the inside. They're so interesting. It's kind of like a pressed glitter. Let me see what they said. So they said good vibes only, the one you've been manifesting. Stone Vibes eyeshadow palette retails for $54. Put down the sage and pick up the vegan palette packed with 12 all new crystal infused shades to block bad vibes and elevate your look. Okay, it launched August 30th at urbandecay.com and Ulta, online and in store, and then September 20th for Sephora, Nordstrom, Macy's, online and in store, and then also QVC.com. So I'm gonna do some nice swatches for you guys. Wow, they are looking really good. I want to make sure that I do them good. I feel like my live swatches never really work out, so I'm doing them on my hand and then I will show you guys. Okay, so these are the swatches. This first one is called Jade. The next one right here is called Bloodstone. This one is Opal Aura. This one is Ojo. This one is Tiger's Eye. This one is Raw Energy. This one is Vibes. This one is Meditate. And that's the end of the shimmer. And I just decided to swatch the mattes. This is Good Karma. This is Hexed. This one is Antidote. And this one right here is Third Eye. Third Eye didn't swatch like how it looks in the pan. So this is Third Eye right here, but it didn't swatch like that. Let's see what look we could create. So I'm gonna go in with Hexed. There is a lot of kickback in the pan, but that's okay. Okay, so far so good. I think the primer is helping it, right? You all know I like a brown orangey transition shade. Now I haven't like been super impressed with Urban Decay shadows in the past, to be honest. Like I bought my first Make Naked 2 palette a couple years ago. And then since then, I was just like, I don't know if that's really for me. Those shades not looking like they will show up on my skin. But I must say, this palette looks like I could use every single color. Even from the swatches, I could use every single color in this palette. So I'm pretty impressed about that. That crease color built up really, really nicely. Then I'm gonna go in with Good Karma, which is kind of light, but I think it'll be okay. It has like a light dusting of shimmer in it for the brow bone highlight. Then for the lid color, I'm like looking at my hand like, what color do I want to do? I feel like I want to do a purpley look. Okay, I think I want to go into Full Aura. That's this color right here. Let's put that all over the lid. So on my eyes, it's coming out like pinky. I'm not mad at it. I love the shimmer that it's giving. That shimmer is nice. Let me see if I use my fingers, if that's gonna make a difference. Using your fingers definitely makes it a bit more vibrant, for sure. Oh yeah. Wow, I am impressed with this shimmer, y'all. Super impressed. Then I'm gonna go into Third Eye, and I'm kind of just going to smoke out the corner of my eye right here. Okay, I'm just gonna do some black liner. Alright, I'm gonna put my lashes on and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so the lashes are on. I absolutely love how the eyes came out. This palette is popping. Can't wait to try other combinations. I am gonna do underpainting for the first time. That's where you do your highlight and contour and then put your foundation above it. I'm excited to try this technique. I've been seeing a lot of makeup artists do it. I think the makeup artist who did my makeup, she did that. So, and y'all, my skin was flawless. I'm about to buy that foundation, the NARS Natural, what's the name of it? Longwear. I'll put it up on the screen. But that NARS foundation, I always kind of shied away from it because it has Radiant in the name, but it was flawless. Flawless. Today though, we are going to be using the Stay Naked foundation, which is my holy grail foundation. I absolutely love this. This was #1 on my roundup of favorite foundations of 2019. And I am going to be doing a roundup for this year as well in December. So you guys will just have to wait on it. Okay. I'm going to use Ebony contour. So I want the contour to be deep. So this is just on bare skin, y'all. And I'm going to be using the McGrath concealer. And I'm going to use my Artiste brush for this. I'm gonna take probably 2 pumps of the foundation and then I'm just going to go over. I'm just gonna blend it out. So I think I was supposed to blend out the contour before I put the foundation over it. So you know what? I'll do that on the other side. But I think this method just helps you not to have harsh lines. You know, everything is gonna be super smooth. But let me just, I also want to get my nose. I'm just gonna take what's left over on that brush. Now I'm gonna go in with the rest of the foundation. Okay, I like that. I'm just gonna go in with my Sephora Micro Smooth and I'm just going to kind of set my whole face just lightly. Then we're gonna go in with Fenty Beauty setting powder in Cashew and I'm just going to lightly set my under eye. This smells so good. Oh my god. And I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Mocha Mami, ever so slightly. So I am going to be showing you guys some products from Mented. I'm now a Mentfluencer. So excited. So basically that just means that they're going to send me PR, you know, and I'm going to be doing reviews for you guys. So they sent over one of their blushes. One thing I love about Mented, well, two things I like about Mented. This packaging is so sleek. It's like matte and smooth, and that black, so very sleek. And the price, I believe this blush is only $22. I'll put it up on the screen, the price of this, but I think it's only $22. Look at that beautiful shade. This is called Buried Away. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna put on too much of the blush. Let's just tap in. Yup, because I knew it was gonna be pigmented. Did y'all know that Mented is like short for pigmented? I only recently learned that and I was like, wow, genius. Genius. Let us move into some highlight. I haven't used this highlight in a while, but I feel like I want to really glow. So I'm gonna be using Le Bronze. This is from Jackie Aina and Artist Couture collaboration. It is the most buttery loose highlight you will ever find. Like, it blends so nicely. You could go bold, you could go really bold with it, or you could just do something really simple like this. I also want to finish up my eyes. Oh, I meant to say that a brush comes within the palette as well. So I'm just gonna use the brush with a little bit of Hex and Third Eye, and I'm just going to smudge out my bottom lash line just a bit with this fluffy side. Then I'm gonna put on some mascara on the bottom lashes. I think I'm gonna take a little bit of Raw Energy. It's kind of greeny, a little Raw Energy and vibes. Okay, so all that's left to be done now is the lips. I got some lip products from Mented. I also got a lip liner. This is in the shade Night. Ooh, it is super creamy. So let's try it. It's pretty. I kind of wish it was darker. I feel like I would love a darker shade in that. Then I'm gonna try on Send Nudes for you guys. I'm gonna do the glosses first, and I also, how could I forget, I have a traditional lipstick in Dark Night. These are so cute, guys, just matte black and it's brown. So the first time I saw any product from them, it was lipsticks. I believe lipsticks are the first things that they came up with, and it was like the perfect nudes for chocolate girls. Okay, I actually really like Send Nudes. It's like a brownish orange nude, in my opinion. I mean, the slightest bit of orange, but now y'all know me, I love contrast. So for me, I would use a darker lip liner with this in the future. I'm just doing this for testing out purposes, but if I was to wear this out, I would definitely put like Fenty Beauty Espresso or even Ebony. So the next ones I'm gonna use, I'm not gonna use the liner because I don't think they're dark enough, but this one is called Brown Baby. Ooh, I think I'm gonna love this. These glosses are so decadent and so opaque. It's like literally sickening. Opaque, decadent, creamy, velvety, lightweight, super lightweight. This is me right here. This is my kind of gloss, like Vampy Summer, bring it on. So right now Versus is going on between Monica and Brandy, and I'm highly disappointed because they're not singing. Is this a listening party? Like, what's the point of that? I could go on Apple Music and listen to their music. I want a live performance. I don't know what is going on there. Very annoying. Almost doesn't count. Hey, yeah. Can't keep on loving you, 1 foot outside the door. I hear a funny hesitation of a heart that's never really sure. Okay, let's get on to Move Over. What I can't get over is just how brown girl friendly these are. No liner necessary, like none. Ooh, this is like my lips but better. Okay, then we're gonna go into Bury Me. I also want to say these lip glosses are very hydrating. It doesn't feel like they're just sitting on my lips. It feels like they're sinking in and providing much needed hydration. This one is a little sheerer than I thought it would be, but I like it. I think this one goes with my eyes the most. Bury Me is so cute. Yes! This is giving like cool tone spring vibes for sure. So this is Dark Night. This lipstick is very interesting. It's quite matte, but it's going on super buttery and lightweight. I like that about all their lip products. it feels like nothing is on my lip, and I really like that. I appreciate that. Then you look at my lip and there's color on it, super pigmented color, and also matte, but not in a drying way at all. I feel like I need more of these lipsticks. So this is really reminding me of Send Nudes. This is like the matte version of Send Nudes. Let me do a little swatch. Send Nudes is a little lighter, but it's giving me the same vibe, right? So as you can see, Dark Night, Send Nudes. That's the liner right there. I'm longing to try more of these lipsticks. They feel like nothing is on. Wow. The pigment, so brown girl friendly. This is like a true nude for me. Doesn't it look like just my skin? I actually like it. I like the vibe. I would say definitely check Mented out. You'll know I love their Yacht Life bronzer, and I love the brow pencil. That's why I did my brows with today. I really like what they sent to me. Thank you so much, Mented, for sending these over. And I think what I like about them a lot too is that they're affordable. We love an affordable, high quality makeup brand. And that's what Mented is. They are black owned, black woman owned. I love this Urban Decay palette, y'all. I didn't think this is something that I would gravitate to, but these shades have totally impressed me, blown me away. So I'm gonna be doing more looks with this. So Urban Decay Stoned Vibes. I really like it. This packaging, this is a collector's item. Do you see how gorgeous this is? You can imagine putting this on your vanity. If you're somebody who likes to display your makeup, that is definitely a talking piece. It's gorgeous. Urban Decay is a little bit more expensive when it comes to their eyeshadows, in my opinion. Would I say that it's worth $54? Yes, I would. Look at this shimmer. This shimmer, the next time I use the palette, guys, I'm not going to use the primer. So let's see if the especially the mattes will come out as, you know, pigmented as they are looking right now. And let's see if the shimmer is gonna stick to my eye like how it is now, because this palette, I really like it, especially if you're somebody who likes shimmer. I think you will appreciate this, and the way that the shimmer is like multi-chrome colors in here, and then it also has like big glitter chunks. So if you're a glitter lover, I think you would absolutely love this palette. It also has that very big mirror and deep brush. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It was so nice to play in new makeup. I think that underpainting is how I'm going to be doing my makeup from now on, y'all, because this base is flawless. I've been seeing Jackie Aina do it for a while, and I'm like, could I try it? Should I try it? And I think I just need to perfect it a little bit more, but I love how my base is looking. Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely flawless. Let me know down below what you think about the underpainting, because I am here for it. All right, so we're just gonna end the video here. Everything I use is gonna be linked in the description box. Let me know what other videos you would like to see. I believe on Friday a skincare video is gonna be dropping, so stay tuned for that. Videos every Tuesday and Friday. September is my birthday month. I have big things coming, y'all. I'm so excited. Don't forget to like this video, comment. You can also share it, and you can follow me on my social media platforms. It's Beat on Instagram and The Beat Inc. on Facebook. And without further ado, thank you so much for watching, and have a great night, guys. Bye.